The following film, collated from the experiments of Operation Belt Trap, along with the accompanying materials and exhibits within this parcel, is intended to fulfill two objectives. The first is to provide an overview of events leading up to the assault on Technician 58042. The second is to provide a detailed account of the subject's escape attempt, as well as an analysis of potential casualties. As you can see, technicians were first ordered to study the spacecraft. This is because upon retrieval, we feared the subject did not survive the nuclear blast and/or freefall. Tests were inconclusive, some suggesting a previously unidentified state of consciousness, others pointing towards some form of hibernation. After exposing the craft to a barrage of forces, electromagnetic and otherwise, it almost appeared to have defended itself by reconstituting into component cube parts, replicating the successes of Operation August that initially allowed us to bring the craft down. Please refer to files ASC-1 through ASC-8 during the complete August craft analysis. Our first major breakthrough was the discovery of the unquantifiable energy source generated by these August cubes. Even more surprising were their biological attributes. Most remarkably, the cubes seemed to create a form of telekinetic link with the subject, covered in files V-Relic 18 through 42. In fact, we suspect a correlation between the dramatic state change in these cubes and a series of wild spasms of the subject's primary limbs. Cage 3 was constructed to reproduce the subject's most likely natural habitat, a subterranean dwelling. Several of its biological features inform this conclusion, including the spade-shaped claws at the distal end of the digits on its feet, a nictating membrane or second eyelid covering its eyes, as well as what appeared to be soil samples, possibly from its home planet. This cage was also fitted with modulating vents that administered an airborne inhibitor, ceasing operation only during the feeding regimen. We began this program following the August Cube's metamorphosis, which immediately preceded the assault